talk a lot about doing things now. Don't wait, do it. That's a motto I've done my best to adopt. Now I'm going to tell you why, in the form of 3 important life lessons. Teach while you are still learning. Once you've already mastered something, it isn't very interesting to you anymore, or at least that's how it works for me. My excitement and passion is at its highest while I'm learning. While I might, in theory, be a better teacher later, after I've mastered the subject, I'm less likely to teach anything at all later. Take raw foodism. Once I had been a raw foodist for years and had learned hundreds of tricks relating to a raw food diet, I was no longer teaching about raw food. By that time, it had become a background understanding in my life, and what I was learning about was hypnosis and the subconscious mind. That became the area I was most passionate about sharing. When you're enthusiastic, excited, and passionate about something, that's when you'll be the most captivating teacher. So whenever that passion is highest for you, that's the time to share. Document your realizations while they're fresh. Have you ever realized something profound and then realized that you'd already come to the same understanding before? Something may feel earth-shattering and life-changing at the time, but we're incredibly good at going back to our old thought patterns when in the face of our old friends and routines. If something is important, give yourself and your insight the respect it truly deserves by documenting it in some way. You could type it, write it, or record it. You could even use a photograph or artwork to symbolize it. Then, on occasion, review your insights. You'll be surprised at how wise your past self was. And number 3. Acting on inspirations immediately builds self-rapport. If you delay, you're giving yourself the message that your inspiration isn't that important. If you act immediately, you're letting yourself know that your inspirations are an emergency. I made an inspirational video about this concept called Small Actions, Big Results, which I recommend watching after this video. So quick recap. Teach while you're still learning, or alternately, whenever the passion is most highest for you. Number 2, document your realizations while they're fresh. And number 3, acting on inspiration immediately builds vital self-rapport. Those 3 life lessons are why I harp on the importance of acting sooner rather than later. People who are excellent at the art of immediate action are some of the most successful people you know or follow online. Of course, there is another side to this coin. When you're not inspired, that is the time to accomplish mundane tasks and to take time to introspect. Introspection is a vital fuel for inspiration. When I look back, I often regret that I didn't document more of what was going on in my life when things were at a certain peak. I wish I had a video of myself making raw vegan apple pie when I made them every day and had the entire process inscribed into my muscle memory. I wish I had a video of my playing Numb on the piano when I was at my peak. Before my wrist pain caused me to stop playing. I wish I had more journal entries from my happiest and lowest points during the first few years of my marriage with Raederle. I wish I had given more nutrition lectures back when that was my primary passion. I wish I had more photographs from my childhood. So now, take a moment of your own introspection. What do you wish you had captured from your past? In the future, what might you look back and wish you had written, drawn, photographed, taught, or recorded now? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. As always, I'm Raederle, and thank you for watching.
And that's been Recipe Making with Raederle, and I hope you have a beautiful, loving, blissful, joyful, awesome, most delightful day, and merry trails and recipe making and other stuff of glee.